Hello, family! Naghanda tayo para kay Aliyah at ito na ang kanyang mga regalo na bubuksan paggising niya kasama ang kanyang mga toy friends. Samahan niyo kami!
Leah. Leah.
Mommy help?
No.
Leah. Blow. Blow. Like that. What is it, Aliyah?
Wow, open it. Remove the... Daddy, help na.
Whoa! What is this?
It's a big box. Oh my goodness. What is it?
Oh my
No way.
god.
No way. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my
Aliyah.
god.
What?
Look at her face.
Look at this. What is it?
Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh, it's from Tita Alex and Tita Kay.
What is it?
Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Wow, it's a big one. Oh, wow. I'm excited to see.
Wow.
Try not to do that, darling. Wait, let's wait. Aliyah, what have you got? From Tita Kay and Tita Alex and Baby Maya. What is it? Eh? Dinosaur quad. Thank you. What would you say? Yes. What is it? Dinosaur. Wow.
So then now I have to do this, undo this.